Another TOR.
The National Weather Service in Amarillo has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Armstrong County, southwestern Donley County, until 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 5:13 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 17 miles west of Bryce, or 20 miles north of Silverton, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and golf ball size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southeastern Armstrong and southwestern Donley counties. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties in Texas: Armstrong and Donley,